Hey guys! So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this slime. It's really soft. And it's super stretchy. It's really stretchy. Eee. And it's not sticky at all. So if you want to know how to make this slime, just keep watching this video until the end, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you do like it, and don't forget to subscribe, and let's just get started. So the things that you'll need will be glue, baby powder, soap, slime activator, and food coloring, which is optional. You will also need a cup and a spoon. So the first thing that you want to do is pour your glue into the cup. So I'm just going to pour the glue like that. I'm just going to use some spoon to scrape down all of the glue. And now you want to take your baby powder and just put it, the spoon, just a little bit. Not too much. You can do just like that. Then just mix it up until it's nicely combined. So now you want to take your food coloring if you do want it. Then just pour it into the slime. I got in my finger like this, but whatever. Then just mix it up until the color has nicely combined with the glue. So now you want to take your slime activator, then just pour a little bit into the glue mix and mix it all. Just like that. So just add the soap like that, then mix it up, and you will start to see that's starting to make like this thing. So just keep mixing it like that. Then test it. If it's still like this, just add more glue, more soap to it. That. And mix it again. Till it's not sticky anymore. So after you kind of like mix all of the slime, and it should make like these things. It should turn to this big lumps of slime. And you're basically done with the slime. It should be like this, not sticky, soft. Well, it's like nicely thin. So here's the result of today's slime tutorial. And here's the slime. It's soft, stretchy, and it's not sticky at all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you do like it. And if you want to see more video from me, just subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys later. Bye!